Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm going to do a series of unfortunate events makeup look. I know it's been a while, but I love these books. It's kind of like my pet project. Plus, I've had a lot of time to rewatch the show on Netflix and start rereading the books as well. So I wanted to finish out the series of makeup looks. So this one is from the Grim Grotto, Part 1, Captain Esme, as she's on the submarine and ordering everyone around in her captain's hat. So let's get started. I already prepped my skin with MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NW10. And I used a bit of Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer from Too Faced. Next I'm going to take from the Pretty Rich palette, but any blue will do, this sort of navy blue shade here, set the jewel tone. I'm going to put it on the outer third of my eyelid and blend it into the crease a little bit. Then we're going to take that same blue shade and put it just in the inner corner, sort of the inner third of the eye. Don't worry about any fallout, we'll clean that up later. So then I'm going to take a black shade. This one is Coal Under Pressure. And sort of put that right at the seam on the outer blue shade, just to make it a little more intense. And then, as usual, we're going to do a whole lot of blending. We're going to move on to the center of the lids. And to do that, we're going to take a little bit of concealer, this one's from Aurora, and put it on the center of the lid. Try and get a bit of a base, but not take off too much of the blue that we already have. Then we're going to take the shade Mushroom from Urban Decay and put that on the lid. Then we're going to go over Mushroom on the lid with a little bit of Sin from Urban Decay. Then, just to give it an extra pop on the center of the lids, I'm gonna do a light dusting of MAC Vanilla Pigment. Then we're going to use Polyester Bride from Urban Decay, the white shade there, and put that on the brow bone. Now we're going to go back and strengthen up some of the blue that we lost while we were working on the center lid. So then we're going to take just the tiniest bit of Smog, that bronze shade right there, and put it just next to the blue in the crease, because she's just got a little something extra there. So let's spend some time on the lower lash line for a little bit. We're going to take a white eyeliner pencil and put that in the lower waterline. So then we're going to take more blue and run it along the lower lash line, same blue from up here. Then I'm just going to quickly run a black liquid liner over the top lash line. Then before we go in with the glitter on the lower lash line, we're going to clean it up with some concealer. We're going to take from the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette this shade here, Diamonds for Breakfast, this pretty glitter shade. We're going to put it sort of in the middle of the lower lash line. I also took a little bit of the gold glitter from the palette as well. Same principle. Depending on the scene you look at, her glitter extends down quite far. Some of it's completely down her under eye, but I'm just going to leave it at that right now. Then we want to strengthen up the two corners on the lower lash line of the blue. We're also going to take the blue into the inner corner there. I'm just going to use a mascara. This one's from Sugar Cosmetics, Uptown Curl. Pop that on the eyes, and then I'm going to use lashes from e.l.f. Then we're going to very quickly move on to the face. There's not a whole lot going on there. So I'm just going to take some contour shade, this light one here. Take it about that far down from the ear, and then I'm going to take this highlighter and hit the high points. We're going to take this blush from ModelCo in the shade Cosmopolitan and hit about the apples. Then we're going to use a peach lip gloss. This one is from NYC Makeup, and it's in the shade Brighton Beach Peach. Here we have my finished Captain Esme look from the Grim Grotto Part 1. It would have been a little better if I'd had the right lashes, because her lashes are fuller on the outer corner. But right now it's a little hard to get makeup on demand, so I made do. Now all I need is an admiral's cap, and I'm ready to steal a sugar bowl and a fortune from them poor orphans. Thank you for watching. For more information on this look, check out the blog. Stay tuned for more. Stay safe out there. Don't do anything crazy. I will see you next time.